We're talking about yes and, all kinds of ways to make offers, accept offers, and build on offers. Right now I want to focus on endowments. Endowments are a special kind of offer, and it's a very generous kind of offer, because what you're doing is you're giving your scene partner information about their character. Letting them know maybe even what their name is, what they look like, maybe a character attribute. Any of those things would be an endowment. And it's a very inspired way to play because you often delight your partner by giving them information about who they are. Because it's very hard to describe yourself in a scene. So Shannon right now is going to demonstrate that by making a character endowment offer, and then I'm going to accept that offer and yes and it. Here we go.
Oh, that's a very lovely dress you're wearing today, Mary.
Why, thank you. I'm going to church, and I wanted to wear my Sunday best. All right, that's scene. So Shannon gave me an endowment. He gave me my name was Mary. He gave me that I had a lovely dress on. So to me, that gave me a voice for my character. It gave me a little bit of a physicality where I wanted to gesture and touch the dress, and it made me want to justify why I was wearing this nice dress. So it gives lots of information for your fellow players to play off of.